I'm Kuldeep Agarwal. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Automotive and Manufacturing Engineering Technology here at MSU Mankato. I would like to invite you to the Breakfast in Cities on February 20th, 2020, where I'll be talking about 3D printing. In fact, I'll be talking about 3D printing and how it has impacted everything in this world from A to Z, or astronomy to zoology as I would like to call it. So hope to see you all there. One of the research we are doing here at MSU is 3D printing of custom prosthetic arms. By developing new technologies and materials, we are hoping that we can create these 3D prosthetic arms so that they can be used by all walks of life. Another exciting piece of technology we are working on right now is 3D printing of biomaterials. These biomaterials can be used for knee, hip, spine, ankle, and other implants, and they can improve the life of these implants by 10 to 20 years. That means you don't have to go into surgery every 5 to 10 years like you have to do with current implants. 3D printing can help you in all areas of research. Suppose you're an anthropologist and you want to recreate an ancient artifact, you can do it by 3D printing. See you all in Minneapolis Club on February 20, 2020, where we will have 3D printers on display and all attendees will receive a 3D printed keychain. Hope to see you all there.